Hey guys, today in this video I am going to be showing you how to make banana nut bread. A nice, simple, easy recipe with my own little personal twist, of course. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you make this too. I will show you how it's done. You can see? Oh, that looks so good. It's a very good, nice, simple recipe that you can make, and we will get right into it. Alrighty, now for our banana bread, we are going to start off strong with a half a cup of butter. Scrape it out. That's what this is for. And 1.5 cups of sugar. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mix this butter and this sugar together until it is a nice, incorporated and fluffy consistency. There, that looks pretty good. Here, let me turn the light on. There, that's better. Your butter's going to look just like that. Now we're going to add in 2 eggs. Try to drop them in one at a time. So we're going to mix 1 egg at a time in here. Try to. If you drop both of them in there, it's fine. Just like that. Egg number 2. Perfect. Just mix it until it's well incorporated. You don't see any streaks of eggs anywhere. That's good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of vanilla. And at this point, I have a little secret. I want to share with you guys. I love to add almond extract into banana bread. I don't know what it does. It just gives it a nice little extra kick that I enjoy, and it's like kind of like my secret ingredient, I guess. It's not a secret anymore, but you get what I'm saying. It's a nice little fun addition that just adds just that little bit of flavor in it that makes it unique. It's about 1/4 teaspoon of this. That was under 1/4, so there. Perfect. I'm almost out. I'll just add the rest. There. Now this is also optional, but you can also add in, of course, a cup of nuts of any kind. You can add in walnuts, you can add in pecans, whatever fruits? That's not a word. Whatever suits your fancy. There. So we're going to add in a cup of nuts. And we're going to give this all a nice mix. Just a little mix to get it there. And now we are going to add in 3 mashed bananas. I already pre-mashed them, but you're going to want to do this one, whatever this is, this look. This is what we're going for. If it doesn't look like this, your banana bread will just turn out a little bit less flavorful, I guess is the word. You could theoretically make banana bread with new bananas. This isn't a new one, this is an overripe one. With new bananas, but it just doesn't come out the same. So, yeah, old bananas it is. We're going to dump this into our mixture. I hope I explained all that right. I keep talking over myself. I do not know why I do that. Okay. We're going to get the... My words. We're going to mix this. Oh no. I'm not doing good today. I'm losing my mind. Mix all of this up into a nice, beautiful lump of whatever this is. I don't have anything to compare it to. How about this? Mix until no flour remains. Flour. I'm out of words. I'm sorry. I apologize. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Alright, now we're going to grab our pan. Alright, we've got our pans. For this, it'll take about 2 or 3 of, this mix will fill about, no, 3 or 4 of these little pans. If you have bigger pans, probably we'll only do 2 or 3. I don't know, like a full-size loaf pan, it would probably do 2 of those. Little half loaf pans like this, 3 or 4. Alright, we got that out of the way. We're going to coat it in a little bit of spray butter. That was a lot. Okay, we're going to coat it in a lot of spray butter. Never mind. And while we're filling this, we are going to preheat our oven to 325 degrees. So go ahead and do that. We're going to fill our pans. Alright, well mine only did 2 of these, which means I just dirtied this pan for no reason. It's okay, I'll clean it up. Mine did 2. If you do 3 small loaves, like if you don't fill them up as full as I did, you do 3 small loaves, then yeah, it would take 3 of these little pans. If not, then 2 humble little banana loaves. I do it every once in a while. I'll fill up 3 if I don't want them to be too big. I decided for the video I'll probably make them bigger than that. Yeah. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the bottom rack of our oven and we're going to bake it for 1 hour and 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and I will show you the finished results. Alrighty, they are out of the oven, and generally speaking, you're supposed to wait until they cool down a little bit before you handle them, but I am a little impatient, and I like warm banana bread, so we're going to do this. Now, I'm going to take this really hot, and we're going to have a little piece of wax paper. I'm going to use it as a cutting board. You're going to sear off my fingertips, and place this on here. Beautiful. Just like that. That is gorgeous. Ooh, and it held its structural integrity really well. Flip it. Oh crap, I just made a mess. Okay, I got the mess handled and I cut some of the bread. Here is a nice piece of bread. I am an end piece person. I love those. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you for sticking with me till the end. I hope you make this too. If you wait until it cools down completely, it won't fall apart like mine. Thank you again. Have a wonderful day and God bless you. Now if you excuse me, I have some banana bread to eat. I'm going to eat all this banana bread and ain't nobody going to have some because I am greedy and I'm not ashamed of it either. Alright. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.